What's up everybody, I'm Sugar Ray Sprays. I love to spray. You see the thumbnail, you know what it is. Got something new. Got a great price on this, great price, like Declan Rice, yeah? It was too good of a price, I had to get it. It's a Blindbuy, I've not smelled it before, but it's in a lot of people's top 5, top 10 of all time, like these big influencers and that. It's another amouage. It's amouage Jubilation 25. Yeah? I saw my other review on Reflections Man 45. This is my baby. Whew. But yeah, I got no idea. All I know is it's got oud in it. I like oud. So we're gonna find out what this is all about. They got another one that's called Jubilation 40, which is 40% concentration, but this is 25% concentration. That's still quite a lot. But let's see what this is saying. Get your ass out of there. Let's go. Same packaging as that one. Oh yeah. Let's get this out. There you go, Jubilation 25. It's cold as ice. Willing to sacrifice. Alright, what I've noticed, you can smell these from an atomizer straight away. Normally a new, not something new, you can't smell it. Let's see what this is about. Come on man, I need a spray to make my day. Ooh, in the air already. Ooh, yeah. That's that splash. That's that splash. It's like berry. It's like a wine. It feels like a wine accord in here. Got in the base. There's a little bit of oud, but it smells winey. It smells expensive. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Yep, this don't smell like nothing I got, which is great. Oh, yeah, that's good. It's kind of strong, you know. Rah, imagine what the 40% one's like. But this is good. Get a bit of rose. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Let's get the notes up, man. But what I get is like a berry, winey accord. It smells nice, smells strong as well. Ooh, that is a room filler, boy. Let's see these notes. Okay. Yeah, we've got that blackberry. That's not ordinary. Oilobellum, labdanum, orange, coriander, tarragon, whatever the fuck that is. It's got that honey that don't smell like rust. Trust. Gallowwood. Yeah, cinnamon, clove, bay leaf, rose, yep, orchid, clarice seeds, apopex, that was in that as well. I think they all have that. But this guy's oud, myrrh, patchouli, ambergris, musk. cedarwood, immortelle. I wonder what that smells like by itself. Oak moss. Yeah, the thing is, amouage, they got bare notes, but yeah, that smells good, man. That smells real good. Sweet, ambery, fruity. Yep. Aromatic. Sweet. I wouldn't say this is unisex at all. This is a manly scent. All the way masculine. You smell someone like this. This smells like a rich man. For sure. I like this. I would put this on skin, but I'm just going from work. And today, for the first time, I wore Jubilation 45. And I sprayed it on 5 o'clock AM. And it's still on my skin. Because normally when I go to work, I normally reapply at say about 12:30. With that, didn't have to, still there, man. But yeah, anyway, back to amouage Jubilation 25. This is real good, man, real good. I tell you what, go on All Beauty if you're in the UK. Save hundreds. This is good. Yep, winner. Blindbuy, win. I can see why this is in people's top 10 of all time. Because the quality is just crazy. Right, super strong cap. Quality is crazy in this. It's just, yeah. I think I might like this better than that one. Nah. About the same. I gotta give this a wear. Yeah. Yep, Blindbuy win. But yep, let me know if you've got your nose on this Jubilation 25, or even if you've got your nose on Jubilation 40. Let me know what you've been wearing, you know, scent of the day and that. Give me some ideas. Put me on, man, like I'm putting you all on. But yeah, there you go. That's it for another review. Take care of yourselves out there. This is Sugar Ray Sprays, out.